Get me out of here. How many times have you said that to yourself? Maybe you haven't, but if you have, it could be every single month for the past 20 years because you didn't take the time, because you didn't think it was necessary to update bathrooms or kitchens or paint colors, or maybe maintain the gutters or the soffit or fascia or the exterior of the house. Just maybe things over time just started deteriorating and you didn't even notice it. And now you feel like you are stuck in a situation where you just can't face all the anxiety to get the house ready to put on the market. Don't worry about it. When Greg called me, he was a young guy who just said, I don't want people coming through my house. Sell it without that. And you know what? I did. I told him just to put his stuff in a plastic bag and leave everything else here. And we took care of it with 2 phone calls. Another lady in Rossbridge just recently called, and we took care of her having to avoid having to put new carpet throughout the house, avoid having to paint the cabinets. She got to avoid painting the house inside and out and got pretty good money for it. Just as it is, leaving all the trash and the things that she doesn't want behind and being able to start the new life that she really wants. We've got options for you. I have a long list of people that will buy your house if you're faced with this. One house that recently I sold was used as a storage unit for about 11 years. And you'd be surprised how often I sell houses that are vacant, where people have just gone on to better and brighter things and they didn't want to have to deal with getting the house that they left ready behind. So the house that they left behind ready. I've got options for you, and if you are experiencing this or you know someone who is experiencing this, then I can help. It's what I do every single day. And if you want more, then I'll tell you the things that it will take to get more and the things that you'll need to do to prepare. But otherwise, I can help you sell it just like it is without sweeping. Give me a call. I'm always happy to help you out.